Once the count sheet has been created, it's time to enter the counts. Navigate to the Inventory drop-down menu and select Enter Count. If multiple count sheets have been issued, locate the count sheet you are assigned in the drop-down list labeled Count Sheet. Make sure the warehouse and the criteria specified on the Print Count Sheet window show up here in this section, and that the transaction date is for the current day. If an inventory count spans multiple days, the inventory will post based on this transaction date. It is important no inventory values change and the inventory is frozen as of this date. This next part is also very important. The section drop-down. A section is a zone where the product is located. Each warehouse is split up into different zones that contain different locations. You can think of this almost like states within a country. Each location or sets of locations have their own zones. It is important to only count products that have a location value in the location column here. Typically, Section 1 on every count sheet will not need to be counted and should be left alone or zeroed if possible. Since I used the product class option to filter out which products I wanted to count in the previous video, you will see that this count issued out all the products that are categorized as cargo control. These are obviously inventoried in different locations, so it is important to ensure all of those locations are counted. Proceed to enter the counts on the count sheet by entering the numbers in the count column. Handheld counts will populate on the sheet as well. The handheld inventory will be covered in a different. Please note that it is not possible to count on a handheld and desktop at the same time on the same section of the count sheet. It is possible to count on different sections, but not on the same section. If this happens, data loss will occur. Proceed to verify the values obtained. Using a handheld device, not pictured here, once the count is completed and verified, zero out all of the sections on the count sheet. This can be done by opening the count sheet on a handheld device and, section by section, zeroing out the bins not counted. Now the inventory can be posted. Go ahead and post a count by clicking the post icon. A window will pop up asking if you are ready to post the inventory counts. If you are, click yes. If not, click no. Once posted, inventory counts cannot be changed. After posting a count sheet, the option to view the report generated will pop up. Click Preview, and you will be able to observe any inventory variances. These variances appear as an inventory adjustment and will be posted as an inventory adjustment to QuickBooks once synced over. It is important to note that if a count sheet is not posted, it must be deleted. This can only be done by clicking the red X at the top left-hand corner of the window. After posting a count sheet, the option to view the report generated will pop up. Click Preview, and you will be able to observe any inventory variances. These variances appear as an inventory adjustment and will be posted as an inventory adjustment to QuickBooks once synced over.